Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Viki subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a few different ways how to cancel your Viki subscription. So for the first way is on a desktop, PC or laptop. So what you want to do is open up a web browser, go to the Viki website and log into your account. And then click on your profile picture or name in the top right hand corner, then select account settings or settings. Navigate to the subscription or billing section and then click on manage subscription or change subscription. From there, select cancel subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation. And now if you're on a mobile app, if you're using the mobile app, iOS or Android, so what you want to do is open up Viki app and then make sure to log in. And then from there, navigate to account settings or settings menu, and then navigate to subscription or billing section and then cancel subscription. So follow the instructions to cancel your subscription. And then there's a few different ways. If you're on iOS and Android, you can follow these steps here too. And from there, confirm cancellation. Ensure you receive the confirmation email or notification that your subscription has been cancelled.